Let me say something that's going to make a lot of people uncomfortable. Buying a used Toyota right now might be the worst financial decision you make this year. I know. You've heard it your whole life. Toyota is the most reliable car on the planet. And maybe that was true. But here's what nobody's telling you: that reputation, dealers are charging you for it. Every single time. A 2019 Toyota Corolla with 60,000 miles, you're looking at $22,000 to $24,000 right now. That's not a deal. That's a Toyota tax. And you're paying it not because of what the car is, but because of what the badge says. Today, I'm going to show you 4 vehicles that deliver the same reliability, the same low maintenance ownership, and in some cases a better driving experience for thousands less. These aren't compromises. These are upgrades that the average buyer just walks right past. Stay with me. This one's going to save you real money. Real quick, if you're the kind of person who wants to buy smart, not just buy brand names, hit that subscribe button right now. This channel is built for buyers who do their homework. We don't work for dealerships. We don't take sponsorships from manufacturers. We just tell you the truth, and that's rare. So join the community, hit the bell, and let's get into it. So what exactly is the Toyota tax? Let me break this down with real numbers. According to used car market data, Toyotas depreciate slower than almost every other brand. Sounds great until you realize you're the one on the buying end of that equation. A slow depreciating car means the seller keeps more of the value. And in the current market, where inventory is still tight from the post-COVID supply chain mess, Toyota prices have barely come down. Meanwhile, equally reliable brands Honda, Mazda, Buick, even Lexus are sitting on lots with price tags that haven't caught the same hype. Why? Because they don't have the same social proof. People aren't posting on Reddit saying my Mazda 3 just hit 200,000 miles even though it absolutely did. The Toyota reputation is real. I'm not here to trash the brand. But the price premium you're paying for that reputation in the used market right now, that part is not justified. And I can prove it car by car. Let's go. GEM #1 2012-2015 Honda Civic. The Toyota Corolla is the benchmark sedan. Everyone knows it. Everyone trusts it. And dealers know that, so they price it accordingly. But here's what most buyers don't know. The 2012 to 2015 Honda Civic runs on a 1.8-liter engine that Honda refined over nearly a decade. It's simple. It's proven. There's no turbo, no KVT quirks on the base models, just a clean, naturally aspirated engine that mechanics love working on. In terms of fuel economy, nearly identical to the Corolla. In terms of maintenance cost, right there with it. But the driving experience, the Civic wins. Better steering feedback, more responsive feel. It actually drives like you want to get somewhere. And the price? Right now, you can find a clean, low-mileage 2013 or 2014 Civic for $2,000 to $3,500 less than a comparable Corolla. Same year, same miles, just a different logo. That's money in your pocket, not the dealer's. Avoid the CV transmission on early models. Look specifically for the 5-speed automatic or the 6-speed manual. Those are the bulletproof setups. Bottom line, same reliability, better drive, lower price. It's not even close. GEMS Tag 2 2013-2018 Mazda 3. Mazda is the most underrated automaker in America. Full stop. When Mazda introduced their SkyActiv technology, that's their engine and transmission platform, they completely transformed their reliability profile. Independent long-term reliability studies consistently rank Mazda right alongside Toyota and Honda. And yet, people overlook them, which is exactly why they're cheaper. A 2015 to 2018 Mazda 3 with the 2.0 or 2.5-liter SkyActiv G engine paired to the 6-speed automatic, not a CVT, is one of the best used car values in the country right now. And the interior? This is where it gets embarrassing for Toyota. The Mazda 3's cabin, even in 2015, felt more premium than a Camry. Better materials, quieter ride, more refined. People sit in a used Mazda 3 and they think they're in a $30,000 car. You're typically saving $1,500 to $2,500 versus a comparable Corolla, and even more versus a Camry. The one thing to check? Rust on the body panels, particularly in northern states where roads get salted in winter. Underneath the hood, these things are ironclad. But check the wheel arches and door bottoms before you buy. Bottom line, better interior. Traditional transmission. Toyota-level reliability. Forgotten by the market, which is your advantage. GEM #3 2008-2012 Buick Lucerne / LaCrosse. Okay, this one is the real insider play. Most buyers under 40 completely ignore Buick. And that is the single biggest mistake a budget-conscious used car buyer can make. Here's the secret that old-school mechanics have known for decades. Certain GM engines from this era are absolutely legendary for longevity. The 3.8-liter V6 Series 3 found in the Buick Lucerne is one of the most durable, road-proven engines ever bolted into an American car. Simple design, known failure points, extremely cheap to fix when something does go wrong. And who drove these cars? Typically older buyers, retired professionals, folks who put on low miles and kept up with oil changes. You find a one-owner Buick Lucerne from 2009 or 2010, bought by a 65-year-old in the suburbs, you've just found a cream puff. Meanwhile, a used Toyota Camry V6 or Avalon from the same era, you're paying significantly more for less interior space and less comfort. The Lucerne and LaCrosse are full-size cars. More legroom, more quiet, more refined. In many markets, you're looking at $3,000 to $5,000 cheaper than a comparable Camry. For a bigger, quieter, more comfortable car with a legendary engine. The math doesn't lie. Bottom line, half the price of a Camry. Twice the comfort. Legendary engine. This is old school knowledge, use it. Gem Hack 4 2010-2013 Lexus ES 350. This last one is going to blow your mind. You know what a Lexus ES 350 is under the skin? It's a Toyota Camry. Same platform, same engine family, the 3.5-liter 2GR FE V6. Same basic mechanical DNA. Toyota built Lexus to sell the Camry experience at a luxury price point. So here's the play. Luxury cars depreciate fast. The kind of buyers who purchase a $45,000 Lexus ES 350 new are not keeping it for 150,000 miles. They trade up every 5 to 7 years. And when they do, that car hits the used market at a steep discount. Right now, you can find a clean 2011 or 2012 Lexus ES 350 with full leather, wood trim. A quiet cabin that makes a Camry feel like a rental car for the same price or less than a comparable used Camry V6. Sometimes even cheaper. And maintenance? Because it shares so many parts with the Camry, your mechanic already knows this car. Filters, plugs, sensors, Camry parts. You're not paying luxury parts prices for a Toyota drivetrain. Bottom line, more car. Better interior. Same Toyota reliability underneath. You're getting a limo for a Camry price. There is no argument against this. Before you go out and buy any of these, here's the one pro move that separates smart buyers from the ones who end up on the side of the road. Pull the Carfax A&D, a free auto check report. Compare both. They pull from different databases, and sometimes one shows an accident, the other misses. For any car over $10,000, also pay $100 to $150 for a pre-purchase inspection at an independent mechanic, not a dealer mechanic. An independent shop has zero incentive to hide anything. Specifically for these 4 cars, on the Civic, check for transmission shutter at highway speeds. On the Mazda 3, look for rust around the rear wheel arches, common in the Midwest and Northeast. On the Buick, check the intake manifold gaskets, they're a known wear item, but dirt cheap to fix. And on the Lexus ES 350, check for the oil consumption issue on early 2GR FE engines, do a cold start, and watch the exhaust for the first 30 seconds. None of these issues are deal breakers. They're just negotiation tools. Find one of these problems, and you've just knocked another $500 to $1,000 off the asking price. That $150 inspection? It just paid for itself 10 times over. Here's the truth. Most buyers are going to walk into a dealer, see a Toyota badge, and pay whatever number is on that windshield because it feels safe. You are not most buyers. You just learned 4 vehicles that can save you anywhere from $2,000 to $5,000 right now with the same reliability, lower running costs, and in some cases, a better ownership experience than the Toyota they were going to overpay for. That's real money. And it came from this channel. If this helped you, and I genuinely believe it did, I need one thing from you. Like this video. Leave a comment telling me which of these 4 hidden gems you'd pick. And share this with one person who's out there shopping for a used car right now and about to pay the Toyota tax. This channel exists because you share it. We don't have a network behind us. We don't have a manufacturer paying our bills. Just honest, data-driven content built for people who refuse to be played. This is Ride Exposed. Now you know which car actually wins